In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy crypto on Kucoin in a few simple steps. Whether you're new to cryptocurrency or just exploring different platforms, Kucoin offers a user-friendly experience for purchasing digital assets. So, let's dive right in and walk through the process. First, you'll want to head over to the Kucoin website. This platform serves as a comprehensive hub for crypto exchanges, allowing you to trade in various currencies securely and efficiently. Once there, locate and click on the Login button. If you already have an account, just enter your details to access your dashboard. For those who haven't yet signed up, take a moment to create an account. It's a straightforward process that requires some basic information. And remember to set a strong password to protect your assets. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the Kucoin homepage. From this central location, you can explore all that Kucoin has to offer, from different cryptocurrencies to trading pairs. But for today, we're focusing on buying crypto. To do this, navigate toward the Assets section. This is where you can manage all your crypto holdings and perform various actions related to purchasing or storing your digital currencies. Once you've clicked on Assets, you should see an option labeled Buy Crypto. Click on it, and you'll be directed to a page where you can purchase cryptocurrencies using different payment methods. Kucoin provides a range of options, including using your bank account, credit card, or other payment processors. Choose the method that's best for you and proceed. Now, you'll be presented with another option, P2P. This stands for peer-to-peer, a method that allows you to buy crypto directly from other users, often with more competitive rates. Click on the P2P option to continue. It's a great way to find the best deals and connect with other buyers and sellers in the marketplace. After selecting P2P, it's time to choose the specific cryptocurrency you wish to purchase. Kucoin supports a wide array of currencies, so select the one that fits your investment goals. Whether you're looking to buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, or another altcoin, Kucoin makes it easy to find and select your desired crypto. Finally, with your cryptocurrency selected, click Buy. This initiates the purchase process. Review all transaction details carefully, ensuring that everything is correct from the currency to the amount. Once you're satisfied, confirm the purchase. Congratulations! You've just bought crypto on Kucoin. Thank you for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more crypto tips and tutorials. Happy investing!